In the challenging world of construction, there is a group of special giants that are not humans, but colossal machines. Every day they conquer mountains, flatten roads, and open up new wonders. Their story is one of strength, endurance, and dedication to building a better world. One early morning at a giant construction site, the machines began to awaken. Engines roared, wheels and axles moved mightily, and the rollers were ready for their tasks. Caterpillar CS78B, the leader, with its reliable and robust design, started to move. Today we'll lay the foundation for a new bridge, CS78B announced, its engine roaring like thunder. On the rocky path, BOMAG BW219DH-4, a powerful machine with advanced compaction technology, led the charge. "I will compact this soil firmly. Nothing can stop me," BW219 confidently exclaimed. Behind it, DYNAPAC CA702D, with its strong vibrations, followed to smooth out the surface. DYNAPAC CA702D. Operating weight, 20,100 kilograms. Known for handling heavy-duty compaction work, ideal for major infrastructure developments. HAMM H25i. Operating weight, 25,000 kilograms. Engine power, 214 horsepower. Features intelligent compaction technology, making it highly efficient for large-scale projects. Case SV212D. Operating weight, 12,500 kilograms. Engine power, 148 horsepower. Known for its compact size yet strong performance, ideal for smaller construction projects.